Hello everyone and welcome to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to take a look at Bitcoin right now, which seems to be rebounding. Yesterday we dipped down below to $116,000. Now we are back at 118, almost $19,000. So quite interesting times right now. I'm still in all of my trades right here. I even opened a small short yesterday just to hedge myself. I'll probably close this position very soon. Let's see. For now, I'm not sure about it. It's just a fun position, so don't take it into consideration. My VChain trade over 2k in a profit, Uni trade over 7k in profits, 3k already realized right here. Then we have here my ETH trade, which is pumping massively. We can see it here over 24k just with this trade, and with the realized profits, we are over 30k just with one trade. And this, guys, was just from $2,000 margin. So with $2,000 margin, you can make $30,000 in just 3 months. So quite epic opportunities in the crypto market. So make sure you stay uh, tuned until the end. If you don't want to miss any important opportunities in this video, I will share some of my strategies for the upcoming months. Some people are already talking about that the altcoin season might be starting soon, and with that we want to have our strategy in place and we want to know which tokens we will take a look at. Now let's see what Ethereum is doing. Let's start with Ethereum today. We can see Ethereum very nicely broke out of this resistance right here. The next price target and the next resistance is the 3,450. That's where I'm expecting Ethereum to go very soon. For now, I'm very happy with Ethereum's performance. So congratulations to all of you who have been following me. We can see here Ethereum is making crazy gains for all of us. Now, if you want to open a trade, $3,000 would be a nice price to open a new trade. Right now, you can see we are very overbought right here, even on the daily. So you need to be very careful. Usually, when the price is the RSI is overbought, that's where you want to be careful with opening long positions right now. So we might see a cool off phase in the next couple of weeks or days, or who knows. Let's see. Many people are very bullish right now, so we might see a $4,000 Ethereum even this month. So let's see what will happen in the upcoming days and weeks. Now, as I mentioned, this is my next price target, and after that the $4,000. For now, let's go and take a look at Bitcoin as well. We can see Bitcoin right here, 118,800, nice number. Let's see what will happen. Let's go on the 1 hourly chart, and we can see here we had a little bit of a head and shoulder formation right here. We broke down and we went to 115 almost, which is a good opportunity to buy actually. You can see here we had nice support here. We are trying to go below here as well, and the support was holding. So 116 I would say is a good support or entry zone. I would not use too much capital for that. We can still go to 112 like I mentioned in my previous video, or even a bit lower. Let's see what will happen in the future, but for now it's not the time to have FOMO makes you make bad decisions. It's better to buy when actually everybody's quiet, everybody doesn't want to even look at crypto, like how we did it here back then when I made my reel, quite nice reel, when we were at $76,000. That was the good time to buy. Right now, I don't know. I won't say it's a good time to jump into high leverage positions right now. Of course, it's good to accumulate Bitcoin. If you want to buy more Bitcoin, do it with the dollar cost average method. Just buy a little bit every day or every week and accumulate more Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to be one of the main currencies of the future. It's going to be worth millions and millions of dollars per Bitcoin. So you are still early. You can easily make a 10-20x just by buying Bitcoin. I'm not even talking about altcoins here. So be prepared for that. Always accumulate some more Bitcoin. I'm buying as much Bitcoin as I can. And now let's see what are some of the other trades doing right here. We can see here VeChain performing also very well. Nice gains. Just from a $500 trade, guys, I made these gains here on VeChain. You can see it here, just from $543 in margin, I made over $2,200 in profits right here. So quite amazing opportunities here in the crypto market. That's why you need to be active right now. Now it's the time, guys. I have been quiet 5 months ago when the market went downwards because there was no big opportunities right now besides shorting. But now I think the market is getting hot again, and I think it's go time. Now let's go and look at some altcoins. We can see here we are on the coin market cap page, and we will take a look at some altcoins right here and see which ones are interesting for us. For now I like Tron. I think it's a safe play. Then I like Hyperliquid made quite significant gains in the past couple of months. It was performing very well. Unfortunately, I missed it. I saw Hyperliquid was I think like $4 last year or something like that. Maybe yeah, $6, something like that. And it went up to like $47. I missed it unfortunately, but still, you cannot get all of them. I'm still very happy with my positions. Now Sui already been pumping very nice. You can see in the last 7 days 36%. We have here Stella Lumen over 70% guys in the last 7 days. So quite epic gains. And we have here H bar 42% just in the past 7 days. Besides that, let's see what other ones are pumping. I would not jump in any of these altcoins right now because the market is still quite indecisive. So you need to be waiting a little bit. For now, H bar was performing very well as we saw it before. Bonk did 59%, Algorand did 53%. Quite nicely. What else we have? Kaspa. I like Kaspa a lot actually. I might be buying some Kaspa very soon. So let's see what was the high. High was 20 cents. This is all, so we can only make a 2x. I don't know. Maybe not. I like Kaspa, but maybe for long term. Let's see. Maybe a little position because the opportunity is not so big. For example, with VeChain here, we can see the opportunity is much bigger here. VeChain is just at 2.5 cents right now, and the high was 23 cents. So you can make this was the high from the previous bull market, but even the high from this bull market was 8 cents, guys. So you can still make crazy gains just with VeChain alone. Now what else we have here? And VeChain, you can see it didn't pump yet, so might be still a smart decision to buy. I like Say. For the ones who have been following my videos, I was a big supporter of Say, and I still like it a lot. 38% in the last 7 days, quite nicely. Pudgy Penguins is some kind of meme tokens linked to the NFT Pudgy Penguins, so they are performing also very well. I would say it's probably the best performing meme right now. Then we have here the Trump token, $9.70, quite nice as well. What else do we have? For now, from here, I like VeChain, I have to say. VeChain has a big opportunity for us. Very low price right now and waiting for a big pump. Besides, I like PancakeSwap actually also. PancakeSwap, you can see, didn't have its run yet, so might be a good opportunity to take a look at PancakeSwap. You can see PancakeSwap was $40 in 2021, now it's $2.40, so you can make a 20x if it goes to the same price like before. So PancakeSwap, I might take a look at that. Besides that, yeah, I would say that's it with the top 100s. If I will find some interesting altcoins, I will share them on Twitter, so make sure you are following me there as well. Mario Decentral is the name, my username, and Mario Decentralized is the name. You can find me easily, make sure it's the right one. You can even message me on Twitter or on Instagram at Mario Decentralized, and I will definitely answer your questions. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time.